Hi everybody, this is the IB probability package. This is topic 1, example 5. Sample space as a Venn diagram. Okay, so here we go. So if the Venn diagram alongside, right there, okay, alongside illustrated the number of people in a sporting club who play tennis and hockey, and I spelled hockey wrong, determine the number of people. And then they give you a bunch of questions here. Now let's just take a quick look at the Venn diagram here. So this is the set right here. Okay, this circle represents the people in tennis. This represents the people in hockey. This represents the people who are in just tennis. This represents the number of people who are in just hockey. And this right here is both. And then out here, this little 7 represents the total number of people in neither. Okay, so just to get a sense of what that Venn diagram is saying. Now we come over here. How about, how many are in the club? Well, the club represents the universe, okay? So this is everybody that's of any consequence is right inside there. So the number of people in the club is simply going to be the sum of these numbers here, okay? Now, don't forget the 7 people out here that don't play either one of those, okay? They're still important in this question here. And if you take 15 plus 27 plus 26 and add the 7, you get a total of 75. So there are 75 people in the club. Okay, now, who play hockey? How many people here play hockey? Well, remember, this is the circle of people who play hockey. Now, the question is not asking how many people play just hockey. Okay, now that would be 26. This question is asking how many people play hockey. That's the sum of these two, okay? And so this is going to end up being, we'll do it over here, this will be 27 plus 26 for a total of 53 people. How many people play both sports? Okay, well that's got to be everybody in these 3 particular sets. People who play just tennis, just hockey, and both tennis and hockey. Okay, so that one right there is simply going to be the sum. Make sure you can see this. The sum of 15 plus 27 plus 26, and the answer in this case is 68. Okay? Come up over here. Who play neither sport? Well, that's pretty easy, okay? Because the numbers inside those circles represent people that are in playing these particular sports here that are outlined. So if you're not in these circles, you're not playing either, and that's 7. Now, who play at least one sport? Oh, and I misread this question. Oh, okay, this is a good learning opportunity. This is a good learning opportunity. My mistake here. Even though I read it and there's nothing wrong with this question. There is nothing wrong with this question. I misread this. Who play both sports? Okay, immediately I read that as an or, but it's not. This is an and. Okay, so we're talking about the number of people who do both here. Well, that's clearly you read that off here. That is the 27. That was a mistake that I made. I am so sorry about that. But that's a good moment, a good learning moment here. The reason for that is because this one here, who played at least one sport, means you could be playing one or more sports. Now that is all 3 of these sets here. So that is going to be the 15 plus the 27 plus the 26 for a total of 68. Okay, so just to be clear here, who play both sports, this means that they do both, not necessarily together, but people that participate in both of those activities, okay, and excluding people who do just single sports.